Ekero amariganio hagenderete erikomoenia omugaka Nyachaes omwaziri bw'oborendi bwaime Dr. Fred Matiang'I nigo aikirana ase egeti kia Gusii Stadium erikoene kibuna oborendi bwa igoro bwabe kibwe eriogotanga bura buru yende yonsi era nyaruko bagekorekana ase omoyiga bw'okomoenia omugaka Nyachaes.
Barrio of our late Mzee Nyachaes. We wanted to make sure that we have worked on the final touches. The family is represented here by these two gentlemen, Noah Nyachaes and Lee Nyachaes, who's behind there. And we've all been here, the governor of Gusii, women rep, senator, who are the local hosts, and the national team, which includes our principal secretary, Ministry of Health, Madam Nyachaes, the deputy head of public service, Mr. Mzee, the principal administrative secretary, Gusii, and the regional and county security teams, led respectively by the regional commissioner for Nyanza, Mr. Mutindeka, and his police commander, and the county commissioner for Gusii, Mr. Masharia, and the county commissioner for Nyamira, Mr. Mariba, who's here. So we've all been here because we want to look at the planning to be sure that everything is in place. And I can confirm we are now totally ready for the funeral service tomorrow. You know, these are interesting times because of the challenges we have with COVID-19. We have to make sure that we observe the containment measures as outlined and given by the Ministry of Health. That is why our PS, Ministry of Health, is here, and she has confirmed with her team that the arrangement as it is okay. We can move ahead. We are trying to accommodate as many people as possible. That is actually why the family graciously agreed to move the venue from Nyantrago to this place, because this is a little bit, wider than Nyantrago. So you can see we are still bringing in some chairs. We want to see how many people we can accommodate, even with the challenges we have of COVID-19. I would like to request our people, those who will not be accommodated here, that the service is going to be televised and it will be broadcast live. They can actually watch it. Also from home, they can access it from home. We will be online, those who can follow us also online. And we are doing the best we can to ensure that as many of those who would like to attend and give Mzee Nyachaes the send-off that befits his status and his contribution to our country are able to follow through that. I'd like to say only two things before I end this segment of briefing. We are so grateful. First of all, we thank God for the family of Mzee Nyachaes. As you know, they have contributed a lot to this community and to the nation. And they have worked with us. They have graciously shared their father with the nation. And they have been working with us seamlessly to ensure that we give Mzee a warm and decent send-off. Two, I'm so grateful to the governor and the county government of Gusii, because the deployment we are making here as national government is supported by the county government of Gusii. The governor has been personally involved and working with us. The county government has brought in some of its resources to support us, and personnel like the medical personnel, enforcement officers who will work with us to ensure that we have an orderly sitting arrangement. Three, we cannot thank His Excellency the President enough. He told us last Wednesday when he visited the family of Mzee Nyachaes that he has personally ensured and decided that the state gives Mzee Nyachaes a befitting send-off. And His Excellency the President, and through his office, has ensured that we have gotten all the support we needed as we were planning for this burial. So we are grateful to His Excellency the President, and we will get an opportunity again, even tomorrow during the service, to again say that. But I would like to say thank you to all my colleagues in the committee, and again, as I say, to the county government of Gusii and the governor, and all the leaders of Gusii. We have been having a meeting, virtually all of us. You know, the senator has been here, all members of parliament from Gusii and Nyamira. We have been having several meetings and discussing. This is something that has brought us together completely as a community, and we are moving forward as a family. So we are looking forward to a very decent, orderly send-off befitting Mzee Nyachaes, because he's a man whose contribution to our country is enormous. And because he was an orderly, a nice, peace-loving man, we want to do the same thing when we are sending him off tomorrow. Thank you very much, and thank you, good people, for being here to communicate to the rest of the country on what we are doing here today. Asante sana, and God bless you.